Let's try that again. So we're gonna keep it in the middle so both engines can start, and let's it's in standby mode. Let's see if I push start, if standby mode will kick in. Yep. Came on. Let's go ahead and close it up. Guys, when I get it set up and put it outside, I'll do a true DB test, because right now it's on the edge of the door. We have real bad rain, so I'll do that later, the DB test later. Just wanted to make sure it ran. Have power. Let's check the remote. All right. So there you have it, guys. The GENMAX GM14000i-HSB tri-fuel. Guys, I will be doing a review on this. So if you're looking for something like this, let me know. It should be on the website. I'll find out everything I need to know, pricing, all that will be on the website. I'm not going to put pricing on the YouTube channel. If you want to know the price, go down in the description, click that link. It will take you to the website and you can see the current pricing. All right, guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.